Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. In order to start the process, open your settings in your mobile device. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Here tap on App Management to continue. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. After that, tap on Storage Usage. Here tap on Clear Cache. Then go back and tap on Force Stop. Tap on Force Stop. Then go back to the home page and open your Play Store. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Here you need to update your WhatsApp application. Your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.